A quick one here on net gas, gold, silver and crude oil, starting with natural gas. So what do we have here? Since yesterday we did not have much movement and the price is still in the area of resistance I've mentioned in my last video, we were getting a nice engulfing candle, but as you can see the price closed above this green candle, so we are not taking it as a sell entry. So we are still not looking for sell trades at this point. I can still see a good bullish momentum pin bar candle here, so that is why it is likely that price can break and close above this zone. We might get a 20 EMA cross, faster moving average crossing 50 EMA slow moving average. That is also a signal that price can push up. But again, personally, I will look for a signal. That is what my bias is. It's bullish. I'll keep my rejection zone here and I'll wait for a pullback hit of this zone. If we have a candle that close above my rejection zone, which is right here as you can see in the blue, if that happens, then we have a good signal that price wants to continue to push up in a trend with a new high. If we have a rejection in this zone followed by a bearish engulfer, we have a valid double top pattern. So that is what the conditions I'm looking at. Still bullish. I'm still bullish for net gas unless and until I get a good reason to sell here. If no reason to sell here, then we have a likely chance that price will push up. If the price push down something like this and we have a next candle which is a bullish engulfer, then we have a buy signal. So keep an eye here. Any confusions, you can always DM me on Instagram. Here on currency.com, what do we have? Right here, price did hit this zone and did not break and close above. So at this point, no sell condition here. Just keep your zones like this. If we have a push up rejection here, then we have a likely double top. If not, if price broke above this zone, then we have a good chance that price will push up. From here, it is not a valid engulfing pattern. If you are wondering, the candle opened above the previous red candle. For a candle to be a complete bullish engulfer, it must completely engulf the full body of the candle, which did not happen here in case you're wondering. So still look for the condition. I have an account with Oanda, so once I see a condition here, I will enter my trade accordingly and I will update you guys as well. So keep an eye here. Let's check gold. So gold has respected my zone mentioned in my last video. I've also sent this zone to the members that we are looking to enter one of my buy trades from the zone. I can't see any sort of buy condition yet, but we are still in the zone. We can still get a double bottom pattern like this. Mark your rejection zones and get yourself ready. If we have a push down, that is how we need to take our trades with conditions. In that case, the chances of making mistakes will reduce. So have your zones ready, have your rejection zone ready. If we have a push down, rejection with a green candle, 382 candle or bullish engulfing candle, all these conditions are a valid double bottom pattern. Once we have that, we have a very good chance that the price will shoot up from here. Not taking sell trades until the price completely break and close below the zone with two red candles. So keep looking for entries for now. If the price break above this zone, in that case I will look for a retest, a pullback followed by a bullish engulfer, and I will go long. So these are the two conditions I'm looking to enter my buy trades. Let's check silver. So as mentioned in my last video, silver did respect my zone and price is now pushing up. So I'm still looking for my buy condition. I'm not selling silver at this point. The price has just made a new high right here. Actually, it did not make a new high yet. So I want to see a new high, at least a break and close above this line right here. If that happens, we have a good chance that the price will continue to push up in a trend. So keep looking for your entries here on silver. I'm bullish for silver as well. Finally, crude oil. Crude oil is still ranging sideways within this box. As you can see, all I want to see a complete break and close above this box. Once that happens, it can likely push up to the highest level of resistance, which is 83.19, from where I will look for my sell trade with one of the entry condition like bearish engulfers or my double top entry pattern. So that is it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always DM me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. Hope you trade green the rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.